Most people go through school learning math, history, and science, but no one teaches you how to think about money. They never teach you how to make it grow, how to protect it, or how to use it to create freedom. Today, I'm going to share 3 money mindsets that schools never taught, but can completely change your financial future in 2026. If you adopt these mindsets, you could be on a completely different financial path by the end of the year. The first mindset is about focusing on building assets, not just earning a paycheck. Most people spend their lives trading time for money, working hours for a salary, and hoping it will be enough. They focus on the next paycheck, the next raise, or the next promotion, without realizing that their income is limited by the hours they can work. Wealthy people think differently. They invest in assets that generate income even when they're not working. Stocks, businesses, digital products, or real estate. They understand that money should work for them, not the other way around. By shifting your focus from earning to owning, you start creating a system where your wealth can grow continuously. The earlier you adopt this mindset, the faster your money can compound, and the sooner you can achieve financial freedom in 2026. The second mindset is about patience and delaying instant gratification. Schools teach you to follow rules, get good grades, and aim for short-term achievements, but they never teach the power of patience when it comes to money. Most people spend money the moment they earn it, on gadgets, clothes, entertainment, or experiences that feel good now, but don't add to long-term wealth. The wealthy, however, focus on long-term results. They save, invest, and postpone spending on temporary pleasures so they can enjoy much bigger rewards later. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life, but it means making conscious decisions to prioritize financial growth over immediate satisfaction. The small sacrifices you make today can multiply into real wealth by 2026. Learning to delay gratification is one of the most important skills you can adopt to take control of your financial future. The third mindset is understanding that money is a tool, not a goal. Many people define wealth by the number of zeros in their bank account or the luxury items they own. But true wealth is about freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of choice, and freedom to live life on your own terms. When you start seeing money as a tool to build skills, start businesses, invest, and create opportunities, it becomes a resource that multiplies itself. Money should serve your life goals, not the other way around. People who fail financially often chase money blindly without a clear purpose and end up trapped in a cycle of spending and stress. Those who adopt this mindset understand that every dollar can work for them if they make intentional, smart decisions. This mindset alone can set you apart in 2026 and beyond. To recap, the 3 money mindsets schools never teach are focusing on assets instead of paychecks, delaying instant gratification, and seeing money as a tool rather than a goal. Adopting these mindsets can completely change how you think about money, how you make decisions, and how you build wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and let these mindsets guide your financial choices. By applying these principles today, you can be on a completely different path by the end of 2026, a path toward real financial freedom and independence. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make now, so take action and make this year the one where your money starts working for you, not the other way around.